This is his second attempt. He was going to spin around down there, but changed his mind. Now he's going to drive right up here and turn up here. You're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, come back over this way now. You're good. Plan is to go all the way up that way. Then he's going to back around. And he's spinning a little bit. I hope it's not too bad for him. I don't know, it's seeming pretty slippery. A little gracier than I thought, huh?
I knew them forks are back there, so
I can get them out of the way pretty quick.
What do you got there? Just lumber?
That's just pallets.
Okay.
Load of pallets, nothing.
I gotta take all this stuff off. The thing is, I can't cut my front end.
I see it sliding.
I was in hopes, yeah, maybe we can move the bucket and these forks, and that way I can come back.
Okay.
And be more level to.
All right, let me work on that.
I think once I get it turned around, and then I think I can go right up the hill backwards and roll them off. So.
Okay. Looks like he's gonna make it.
This will work good because the body's gonna come out about 10 to 15 feet.
Yep, okay. Awesome. You don't mind me taking the video, do you?
No.
Yeah.
But with the clay, I don't know. Thank you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to set over anymore.
Oh no, that's fine. Right there's great.
This is taking about 5 minutes.
She'll probably go a lot better when she's unloaded, right?
I'm just glad I ain't got the trailer truck up here today.
Oh yeah, I told him, I said, there's not enough room for that. So he's going to unload them right there. The body slides back some. It was soft. I'm some glad he could turn around. Boy, it was close though. If it'd been any wetter. Mainly trusses. Yeah, Fairfield. We toured their company. Very impressive. Very impressive. Well, hopefully that's the most challenge you got today.
I get into some predicaments.
What do you do in that case? I mean, if you get stuck or something.
Try my best to get myself out. This actually ain't bad. It's not. It's been a lot worse.
Maybe they ought to put a winch on the front of that for you.
Yeah.
You know, that way you could pull yourself out if you did get stuck. What's your first name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Good. I'm Jim. Jim and Linda, and you'll see Linda. She's coming up later today.
It'd be a nice place when you get it up, huh?
Yeah, it's 24 by 48.
Yeah.
Gonna have a little loft area, of course, you know.
That's nice.
Yeah.
All set?
Yep. The bed of the truck, the body of the truck there is sliding back, and what he'll do is he'll tip them down and then just gently slide them off. They're on rollers on the truck bed. Sure, looks good. What he's doing is jacking up the rollers so it'll roll off. There they go, just slow, nice and slow. Just like that. Yeah. Sure do appreciate it, Kevin.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah.
Your hurricane hangers are right in there.
Awesome. Those are a bonus. I didn't even know I was getting those.
There's your paperwork, sir.
Awesome.
Well, I hope that all works out great for you.
Yeah, well, check out the video every once in a while. I'm sure.
Will.
Yeah.
So what, are you uploading this one too?
I will, probably in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll keep my eye out.
I try to do one a week. The first one is, the one I'm going to do this weekend, tonight when we raised that wall, because it was just her and I. She was really skeptical, didn't know we could do it. You can see we got a couple of wall lifts.
Yeah.
They're manual, but hey, the wall is sheathed on the other side. We built it and sheathed the whole thing, everything, you know.
Nice.
It's about 1,500 pounds.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, we stood the whole thing. I videoed it. I'll probably have to cut out some of the language, but
there you go. Since that's the way this body was, because I was sliding.
Yeah.
I got to put it back out now where I'm more level, and then put it down again and back in.
Oh, sure.
So,
that's fine.
just because that's how this truck works.
Is this a good place to do it here?
It's perfect.
All right.
It'll just come out and it'll fall again. Then I put it down with the hydraulics and back in. And
there you go.
Style it. Thank you.
He has to straighten his bed out because he was on a little bit of an angle. I think that's why. But he's taking care of it. Mainly trusses. Shout out to Kevin. And I'll post this. He did an awesome job. We had to spin his truck around a couple times to find the best place to turn it. But once that was taken care of, he dropped the trusses off nice and easy. Which I expect that's what they do anyway. But Linda, she was a little wondering how they was going to be dropped off, how hard they'd land and everything else. Nice job. All right, so here we are back at the trusses again. I got my helper today.
Hello.
And what we're doing is getting them all moved to the upper deck. Because that's where we'll be standing them up from the platform up to the wall, on top of the wall. The plan right now is not to use a crane. Well, hope that's a good plan. We don't know, but we'll see. As fast as I move, if we used a crane, hell, it'd take me an hour for each truss. Take me 2 or 3 days just to put the trusses up. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to set you down because right now what we're doing is using the backhoe and picking the trusses up and then getting them carried up top there. So I'll let you watch.